Hi everyone, I'm your maths teacher after a long time with you. You know that we was unable to conduct the school during this period, right? You know the reason, but we want to study it now. Now I thought that to start the second term by small video clips. Small video clips. You can follow that clips and you can get the idea about the lessons and do the exercise related to these lessons and send back to me. Right, grade 6 student. Our second term first lesson is the fraction. Our fraction. Before we studying about fractions in deeply, we want to know about what is the fraction. Fraction is the small part of something. Small part of the something is the fraction. I draw a circle. This circle we can divide into small parts, or we can cut into small different parts. I divided two parts. I draw a line to divide in the two parts. This is the small part of the circle. We call that is the fraction. We call that this is the fraction. This whole circle we can divide into small four parts. I will dark this. I will dark this. Right? The small part of this circle. Right? Right. Like this. We call that fraction. Other one. Another circle is same. I divide by using two lines in a row and I dark two parts. How we notate that? Right? We can divide, but in mathematically how we notate this? Right? The total is one circle. It divided by two. Dark by 1. Right. This is the fraction we mathematically note. This is a circle divided by 4, dark 1 part. The circle divided by 4 and dark 2 parts. Right. The fraction we can write like this. The fraction we can write like this. The whole circle divided to 2. Dark 1 part. All circle divided into 4, dark 1 part. All divided into 4 parts and dark 2 parts. Like this. Right? Fraction is the small part of something or anything. Right? You know that. We can write the fraction like this. Now we want to know, identify this special feature. The number written in the written above the line, we call that numerator. The number written above the line, we call that numerator. As well as the number written below the line, we call that denominator. Denominator. Above the line, numerator. Below the line, denominator. Right. So, next, remember that this one. Next, we want to study that how we read a fraction. I write a fraction. This fraction also. I read like this. 6, 10. Another one. I read like this. 1/5. 1/5. Another one. 7 21st. How we read? What is the pattern? First 6/10. 6/10. What happened? First we read the numerator. This is the numerator, no? First we read the numerator, second we read the denominator. 6, 10. But especially when we read the numerator, we read as a normal counting number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. But when we read the denominator, the number should be read as a place. 10, 5th, 21st. You can understand, no? 10, 5th, 20 plus like that. That means plus, second, third, fourth like that. In numerator 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. Another way I can tell to you, read the fraction. Another way we can tell you like this. I will write 6 upon 10. 1 upon 5. 7 upon 21. Right. What is the special in this method? Right. First we read the numerator, secondly we read the denominator. That is same. That is same. But we use a special word for this, upon. 6 upon 10. As well as denominator should be read as the normal counting number. That first system we read the denominator as first, second, third like this. But second type, right? Second method. In second method, we use 6 upon 10. 6 upon 10. This is also normal counting mode. This is also normal counting mode, but we use a special word upon. A special word upon. 6 upon 10, 1 upon 5, 7 upon 20, 5 upon 15, like that. As well as I want to express that generally, if we are reading the fraction like this, generally 3 fractions. What are these 3 fractions? And these 3 fractions in generally we use by special name. What that? You know that. Half, quarter, and 3/4. We can now use as 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4, 3 upon 4 like that. But generally we use these words to express these 3 fractions. Right. Now we want to study that type of fraction. First one is a proper fraction. Proper fraction. First one is a proper fraction. Proper fraction. Proper fraction means numerator is less than denominator. Numerator is less than denominator. Right? Numerator, denominator. The numerator is less than denominator. Numerator 1, denominator 2. 1 is less than 7. 7 is less than 10. 20. 20 is less than 50. Proper fraction means numerator less than denominator. Other one is improper fraction. Improper fraction we are not studied in the grade 6 level, but I will explain that. Right? 10, 7, 50, 20. Right? This is the numerator, this is the denominator. Numerator is greater than denominator, no? Numerator is greater than denominator. Right? Improper fraction. Other one is unit fraction. Unit fraction. Other one is unit fraction. Other one is unit fraction. Unit fraction. 1/3, 1/5, 1/10, 1/20, like this. The numerator always take 1. We call that unit fraction. Unit fraction. Numerator always 1. Denominator may be changed. Numerator always should be 1. That means unit. Therefore, we call this type of fractions are unit fraction. Others are equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction is we want to study in details. Next day I will discuss about the equivalent fractions. I will send the notes regarding to this video clip, and I will kindly request that my dear students 9.1 and 9.2 please complete the exercise and send me back. Thank you.